What's good, guys? So it's Tuesday, and you can see we are already in on GBNZD. Yeah, this GB. When looking at the chart, you can see why I'm on a sell position. You can see why I'm on a sell position on GBNZD. This you can see our break of structure on this particular side. This is our break of structure here, and this is the origin that caused the break of structure. So sniper entry, we are in already. We are aiming to reach 90 pips so that we can get a 1:8, guys. 1:8. Let's see how it goes. I've already sent the signal to my group. I've sent it to my group. Nevertheless, this is not only the trade that I will be placing this week. I have other pairs that I'm looking at. This AUD USD. This is what I'm expecting. All these can be seen as liquidity. All these can be seen as liquidity. Okay. Yes, all these can be seen like that. Okay, so all these can be seen as liquidity. Let's type it there.
Hello, good morning. I do.
Yes.
I do. Good morning.
So you know what, price after sweeping liquidity to the downside, price will tag us in and boom us to the upside. And boom us to the upside. You understand? So now this is AUDJPY. This is AUDJPY. The same thing from what we are expecting from price. All this may be seen as liquidity. That price is going to sweep to the downside. After all this has been swept out, price will tag us in and boom us to the upside. This is a very wonderful trade. This is another trade idea again on SZD CHF. To avoid putting your account size in your account in risk, just take only few of them and leave the rest for God. This is another this thing. So you can see the same thing. That is what we're expecting. This is our okay. From here to here, this is our shift in market structure because price has been breaking structure to the upside. Price has been breaking structure to the upside, so therefore this is a shift in market structure, and you can also call this is a failure swing. You can also call this a mitigation block. So our entry should be here, stop loss 19 pips, and our take profit should be 1:2, 1:3. This is our take profit. All this will be sent to the group. It's not a must for you to trade all of them, you understand? So you can choose the pair you like, the pair you want to trade, then you place your entry and you hope for God, and you also pray to God to make everything come true as well planned. So we also have GBP. Okay, this was the NZD trade. You can see we're already swimming in a little profit, a very sniper entry. We're swimming in a little profit. Then Euro USD. No entry confirmed yet at Euro USD because price is still ranging in this particular origins. This origin has been taken out. You can see price swept. This is a draw in liquidity here. Price tapped it, and I don't think price is ready to push to the upside because you can look at it. This is a 30-minute time frame. Understand? So 30-minute time frame might depend, or anything happening in 30-minute time frame might depend or might cost what will happen for the day. You understand? So this is also our second origin, which price just tapped in a little. Price tapped it a little before booming to the upside. Okay, so this GP USD, nothing, no entry yet, but you have entry in 1, 2, 3, 4 entries this early morning. So before Friday, let's see if if price is going to hit our stop loss or the other way around. So you guys was good, guys. So actually listen up. Actually, I have been focusing more on technical analysis, distributing signals to my group, making sure people make profits as I do, forgetting that I have already paid fundamental class already. So guys, now this series I'll be focusing on more on fundamentals now, because I need to carry along my students more and deeply in fundamental analysis, you understand, before doing any other thing. I need to carry them deeply in fundamental analysis. So now this is the fundamental calendar. You can see it here now. Today is Friday, February 19th, and we have a very important news today, which is CPI. We have CPI for GBP/USD today. You can see it here. By 8 a.m. this morning, the news will be released. And what are we expecting exactly from this particular news? Are we expected to sell GBP/USD or GBP/JPY? Or are we expected to buy? Let's watch and see. Now, in this particular video, I think this video might be helpful to you if you want to learn how to trade fundamentals. It might, and I hope it's helpful to you. Understand? And also, if you want to pay for my mentorship, just as low as 15,000 naira and 10 USDT, you, with these two amounts of money, any of them, you are paying in naira 15k, you are paying in US dollar, in USDT, that's 10 USDT. Then I will teach you how to trade fundamentals, one-on-one mentorship on WhatsApp. So on Thursday, which is tomorrow, we have unemployment change. This one that is early in the morning. We're not treating that. We have unemployment claims for USD by 2:30 p.m. On Friday, we also have retail sales by GBP, and we also have PMI Euro, and the same manufacturing PMI again on Euro, and we also have that on GBP. And after that, we also have retail sales on card, and we also have USD flash manufacturing PMI. So these are the main trades that we have. You understand? So hopefully we can make money from them throughout this week. You understand? Make sure your account is being funded. I will be giving the signal, or I might not be giving the signal, but just join my Telegram group to be able to find out if I'm distributing it or not. So as for GBP/USD, you can see, let's check that. For GBP/USD, the forecast is 2.8%, and the previous is 2.5%. As a fundamental trader, what are you expected to do in this particular area here now? What are you expected to do? Are you expected to buy, or are you expected to sell the market? Which one is your main opinion? Which one is your main answer? Now, when looking at the chart, we can be able to interpret and say, okay, I am going to sell GBP/USD. I'm going to buy GBP/USD for this CPI, because coming to this side, you can see where we say user effect actual greater than forecast is good for the currency, which means any amount that is greater than 2.8% is good for the currency. We make the currency to spike. But since we don't have our actual, it will not be forecast greater than previous is good for the currency. And as you can see, our forecast is greater than the previous. So therefore, we are buying USD GBP JPY. That's it. We're buying GBP JPY. As simple as that. But remember, combining your technical analysis and your fundamental analysis might produce an A+ setup. You understand? Combining the two of them together might give you a better result of how to trade, a better result on how trading looks like, because you might just only say something like this and bam, market will go on this direction, making you to lose your funds. But once you can combine the two of them together, I believe that you make money from the market. Trust me. I think and I believe that you will make money from the market, combine the two of them together. So let's go over to our chart to see something there. Now this is GBP/USD. Remember, by finding the area where liquidity resides. This is a drop of liquidity here. This is a drop of liquidity. So this is a liquidity draw in this particular area. So I think that will be our main focus. Price going above to this liquidity will be our main focus now, because anywhere there's liquidity, I think price might want to reside there. You can see some liquidity residing here. You can see liquidity residing here. We can also see liquidity residing in this particular area. So, are we selling GBP/USD or are we buying GBP/USD? Only those that pay for my class will have access to this idea. So see you guys in the next video.